Oh, so we got 3 heaping pots of Greg going on. That's what I'm talking about.
Mind if I take a ship?
Alright, fellas, so what we doing?
Oh, you sounded like you're fist to say, alright, time to get off.
like it works, time to get off.
Alright, guys, where are we going?
Well, here's the question. Do we want to go ahead and start building the wall and make Trump happy?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's stick around here for a little bit. Kind of build the base up.
Because, I've had ideas.
Let's,
Because, like I said...
Alright, so where do y'all think, or where do you think what's her face is?
She is... Sadly, we don't have any kind of compass.
Fuck!
Wait, let me see. She is... Alright, so where... Alright, face north. Houston. Oh, well, you're...
I'm fucking with my eye holes. Hold on.
I can't see
No.
fucking shit out of this thing. Y'all ever seen Django?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
My wife spent all night cutting holes in bags for you ungrateful sons of bitches.
Grateful sons of bitches.
Yeah, if I remember right, she is over in this location.
Alright. Alright.
Because we are negative...
Where'd you go?
Because, yeah, she should be way over that way. Because we're negative 950x. And, I forgot what Z. But, I know she's at negative 626 by 533 that way.
Exactly. That's what I was thinking.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Trust me, I've messed with this enough. I know exactly where she's at.
So you're
You can't
thinking
hear my phone playing, can you?
a little bit, not too bad. So
I mean-
Shadow, you're thinking we can go from this log right here, right? All the way to that other log over there.
Which
Yep.
one? The one across the water
Yeah,
or the
the
other one?
The one
The
right
one
here.
north over here.
Right here, where I'm at.
Yeah.
And the one straight across over here where I'm walking.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Didn't want to do it wrong, because here comes my logs right here.
So, let me... I don't know if I can see where you're doing. So, when you're placing the log, look on the ground and you see where... not that way. So, when you're placing the log, look down.
Yeah.
And, what are you seeing right now?
A circle.
A circle? Okay. So what you want to do is kind of keep moving around until the circle has a well, actually, never mind. Hold on. I'll start it. Where is there's the other one. I'm gonna do it like right here, because what I'm getting at is, all right, all you saw was a circle, right? Now try and place one. You should see a circle with like a line in the center.
Oh yeah.
Basically, that makes it to where we do a straight line.
Okay.
I'm gonna set up some traps over here so we start catching some squirrels.
Kelvin's bringing me logs, so I'm gonna continue to work on this.
Since I really don't think it matters if all of us see her, I'm gonna go make sure she is there.
Sled.
And y'all are more than welcome to move the logs around as far as like a different number. That was just, you know, me placing shit.
Well, I got Kelvin bringing me some logs, and I've got the log sled over here that's full.
God damn it. I'll be right back. Hold on.
Alright. You can also tell him to fill the holder and the sled. Or hell, probably just tell him to maintain the base, but we really need logs more than anything, so we'll
Right.
stick with logs for now. Yeah, that's what I thought. She was over here somewhere. But yeah, Dustin, I stayed up for forever trying to get this thing working right.
Really?
Yeah, but I finally got it. But yeah, like I said, I was playing around on our save, just trying to make sure she's not gonna break. Like hell, I even killed her again just to make sure everything worked right, and it did. But you know, don't. Hell, I did all sorts of things. And so far it seems like it's gonna work. I even checked like her if she's gonna like us, and it does say she's gonna like us.
Cool, man. I trust you.
Say at the current moment, I'm hoping I'm going the right place. I want to say I am. I really wish I had coordinates on here, because I know exactly where she's at. Yeah, I think she's over here. She's supposed to be.
Oh no, I
Same.
went off the... shit. I went off the line a little bit.
That's fine. Like I said, the boundaries are just kind of placed here and there, just so it won't be like too much of a pain.
Thanks, Gilvin.
But I will say this: while we're whenever you do see her, disarm completely.
Okay.
That way, she'll come and approach you, and it'll start building up her sentiment meter thing. Because I think 20 is when she's willing to let you give her stuff. Because we'll give her a GPS tag, so we'll always know where she's at.
Oh, because she runs
pistol.
off.
Yeah, well, she won't really run off after 20, but it's good to know where she's at.
Right.
But mostly she's just extra security. Like you give her a pistol and a shotgun, and somehow she pulls ammo out of her asshole or something. I don't know. And there she goes. But yeah, like she,
Sorry.
like you can give her outfits and the GPS tag and the pistol and shotgun. I don't know if you can give her the rifle. I hadn't tried that yet. Just kind of wait until she runs off completely, and then I'll head back. But yes, I have a glorious idea for the wall.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, but what? Are you abandoning me? Oh, okay. Did Rocco get down? Oh, okay. Okay, well, I was around her enough. She'll start building trust and come interact with us sometimes. But yeah, like I said, be sure to completely disarm her. Because like weapons or rocks or anything, she'll want to run away.
Okay.
But yeah, like I was saying, I was, messing with our game file and you know, just trying to wait on her to come interact and stuff. So I got bored and I started building somewhere around, and after a certain point it just crashed on me. No warning, no nothing. I was kind of pissed. Luckily I saved it at a certain point, but why is Houston out in the middle of fucking nowhere?
I don't know. He said he'd be right back.
Oh, he should have went and waited in the house. And go ahead and start making the defense. Yeah, because right now this wall is kind of useless until you put spikes on top.
So I totally forgot that I could just throw the logs on, just like near the sled, and it'll just go into the sled, which is pretty cool. But it's, it's frightening when you see Kelvin carrying 2 logs and he just tosses them.
And as far as like worrying if you misplaced one, are you on controller or keyboard?
Keyboard.
Keyboard? I don't know what button it is on keyboard. But there's a button you can hit to break stuff down. So like, oh, I'll do your. All right, before you run off. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Alright, so you see your log you put here as you continue putting logs?
Yeah.
Alright, there's a button you can hit on your keyboard to where you can take them off.
Whoa.
I don't know what button it is for a keyboard, but you can take stuff off if you, want to replace it somewhere else or something. And now we have a defensive wall.
Oh, cool. Kelvin, what are you doing? Are you on a vacation? I told you to bring me some damn logs.
He does have a tired level.
Oh.
Yeah. What the fuck is this? Oh, he must have placed a trap.
Oh yeah, he did say something about using a trap for like rabbits and stuff.
Yeah.
I say the next thing we upgrade is our cabin.
Oh yeah, once the wall goes up and some defenses, we'll redo it. Like we can, like what he was trying to tell you earlier, or the other day. I don't know if you heard him right. We have free build.
Free build?
So like, let me get some logs and I'll show you. I won't split them, but I'll show you.
Okay.
But,
good lord.
Tell you what, come over here to the left side of the cabin and I'll show you that way.
Alright.
So basically,
everything good, Natty?
You see,
Yeah, Layden's just having a damn fit because apparently he, something is scaring him. I don't know.
Oh.
I keep trying to tell him, it's like, there is nothing in this house that can get you.
Right. How the hell did you just do that?
So you take logs.
Yeah.
So just look on the ground, and there'll either be a circle, or you can hit a button and switch it to where you can lay them down and make a wall, or something.
That's cool.
So like right here, you could, in theory, split them logs. Like, come close to it. You see where it's like showing some arrows?
Yeah, yeah.
There should be a button you can hit where you can, well, not now, but there should have been a button you could hit to change them into stairs. And one other thing, I know Houston probably knows it, but as far as logs, try not to have more than 50, like, free.
Huh.
Like, see how I have 2 logs just laying here?
Yeah.
Like they're not built, they're just free pickup logs.
Oh,
try not to
okay.
have more. Yeah. Don't have more than 50, because after 50 they start disappearing. Like, you can have them here in the holder or built, but if they're loose, you can't have more than 50.
Got you.
So just when you're having Kelvin do it, or if you go and cut a tree yourself, make sure you put up other logs. Otherwise, you know, just wasting your time cutting a tree down if they're just going to disappear.
Got you.
Alright, Tyler, do we need to do like when you were saying earlier about needing pelt or hide from squirrels? Do we need them alive?
I was fucking with the squirrel part.
Oh.
Kind of want to keep y'all on your toes.
And say, because I can put up a rabbit hutch, and anytime we catch a squirrel, I mean, not a squirrel, a fucking squirrel hutch, shit, we can put them in there and breed them and collect them, and then take their fur and shit.
Yeah, no, I was just fucking with the squirrel thing. I do, though, need a shit ton of sticks, and whatever the other thing I said was. Dustin, as far as what you're doing, you can only stack 4 high unless you have it like set up weird. But hell, I like your idea though. I think we can actually save some logs doing that. But these little ones can still be used for something.
But you can't cut the tops off. Like you can't cut the...
Oh, you can't? Oh, okay.
That's what
Well,
I was
then-
gonna see, but...
Yeah, no. These I just had setting up because sometimes you need these little quarter pieces, so I just have them setting up here.
Now, imagine this. Come here. So, imagine having the golf cart, right? And having like a little trailer behind it where you can put the logs.
Oh man, that'd be great.
That would be great.
That would be
If
great.
only.
If only.
I mean, hell, they were supposed to do so much stuff. I don't know if they're still going to or what.
Probably still working on it, I'd guess.
A lot of the games that are in development are put on hold or whatever for newer games.
Well, this one, it's not really in development anymore. It's done.
No, I mean not
still
in development, but you know what I mean. Like as in, what do they call it? I don't know.
Early access.
Well, it's not in early access anymore because it's a full-blown game. But it's it's just I don't know what they call it. After development, I don't know.
You're saying like oh, hello. Here she is. Put your weapon down. Put your weapon down.
How do I
Is that Virginia?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's not it. Oh boy, I don't know how to disarm. Oh god.
Well, boy done turned on his radio.
Oh no.
You might want to look at your controls and see what stuff does. Oh, she's coming to you, Houston. It might be time for night-night.
Yeah, I agree. I got a shit ton of trees knocked down for old Melvin, or Kelvin, whatever his name is, to pick up.
Yeah, it's night time. What is that goddamn noise?
I was wondering.
What is what noise?
I don't know. It's like some sort of video.
Do you still hear it?
No.
No, not anymore.
Save and sleep.
Yeah, kind of anytime we can save, just in case. Oh, motherfucker.
What happened?
Enemies. That's fine. That's fine. That's what the shotgun's for.
Jesus, that thing's loud.
Oh shit, somebody shot Kelvin. Just don't shoot Virginia. Lord have mercy. She's fleeing.
That's okay though, cause
She don't need to get shot.
Oh, he's down. That's
Right.
fine. Okay, I got him back up.
oh, we're gonna sleep again, or try to.
Yeah,
Try to.
try to. I think we can now.
I'm pretty sure they all ran away.
Hey, Virginia's coming back. Oh, never mind. She
That's
left.
fine. Like she's pretty much like a wild animal, just kind of sniffing you out first. We might as well stop because they're outside.
God damn it. That poor motherfucker right there didn't have a chance.
Oh my God!
Oh, still alive, eh? Oh shit, I'm out of bullets.
I got him.
You got it. I aimed up to shoot, and I clicked. Uh-oh, that's no good. Alright, I think that's all of them. Now,
Okay,
let's try.
let's try.
Just you in this door, bro.
Swear to God. Swear to me.
There we go. Save.
Alright, have some Greg.
Yep, need some Greg.
Gotta relight the Greg. By the way, I figured out your bonfire situation. I don't think
Yeah.
we can have rocks around them. What
Yep.
the fuck? Nah, way too far away.
I'm out of bullets.
We'll have more at some point.
Wait a minute.
Be
No,
sure to check.
No, I'm not.
Be sure to check the skin pouches.
Yeah, I got several I need to check.
How do you change the ammo type? Do you know?
So look all the way down on the ground, and
Oh,
there
I
should
see.
be a button that says, yeah, there you go.
Got you. I was just hanging out on the Christmas tree, and they run up and tried to kill me.
I've got 10 shotgun bullets left. 10 slugs.
I've got 9. Oh wait, there's Virginia over there. What?
Oh yes, there.
What's the button to disarm?
I don't think you can disarm.
Yeah, you can. You can take away like whatever's in your hand.
I don't know how to do that.
Oh, there it is. G. Wait, did I just throw that?
No, because I
Okay.
tried it. Yeah, you can just push G and it'll.
There she goes. She's leaving us.
She'll be back eventually.
So basically, she's like a wild animal. She's just studying us.
Pretty much.
Well, I mean, she is human. Well, was human.
Partially.
Like, if you would have watched the cutscene at the beginning, you would know, or the reason we're here is to
That was going
get
on.
her, yeah, to get her and her family. But we've already killed her parents.
Well, them motherfuckers was trying to eat us, so I don't want to hear it.
I know.
I like how Tyler's just sending logs. That's so cool. Man, I'm trying to keep it.
I don't know. We got a little. We got a little crooked somewhere.
Well, kind of hard to stay straight whenever kind of basing it off another point.
As long as we make it back over towards this, I'm gonna go down here and start working this way.
I'm gonna go ahead and add us a door.
Yeah, I was getting ready to after I put these last 2 logs down, but you got that there, broski.
Hold on, Dustin. Don't add it. Don't add it to the other points, because we will. Yeah, it's not going to be a straight line.
Gotcha.
We're just going to go down till we get to that.
Like, have you seen the old ass video? Like, not a video, but it's like a image of where it was like some railroad workers kind of doing the same thing, and then it ended up being crooked as shit.
No.
You ain't never seen that video? Picture? I'll have to find it one day, or find it in a minute and show you. But yeah, they had they started on like, where was it, like California to somewhere else, and they were, you know, building, and they finally got to the part where they met, and they were like off by a foot on like left or right. Who is watching a video?
It's not me.
I mean, I'm watching the video, but mine's a dude talking, and I got to turn it down so low I can't even hear it.
Let me check my. I got.
Yep.
Is one of y'all's women talking?
No, mine's in there on the couch.
Dude, where the fuck is that audio coming from?
Is it stupid loud? Like, I don't even hear it.
No, it just hears. It sounds like a documentary.
Hell,
Or not a
are
documentary.
you
but
listening
just-
to something? Was it a female voice? Yeah, that's Erica. It's okay.
Okay.
That we were trying to figure out, or they were trying to figure out where that sound was coming from. Huh? No,
Hey,
it's
you're
okay.
Yeah, no, it's alright. We was just trying to figure out what the fuck the noise was.
You got a pretty good mic.
Undoubtedly not. If y'all hear her cleaning the living room in there.
No, I'm talking about it picks
Picking
up
that
good.
much up.
Yeah.
I mean, you can set some settings on your audio stuff to take out background noise.
Yeah, there's on Streamlabs, if you go to your mic and go to filters, like right click on your mic input,
Yeah.
and go to filters, you can put noise suppression on, and it cancels all the background noise.
Kelvin, go away.
Is he taking a nap? Absolutely not. You got him doing something? Yeah, tell him to fill log holder. Or, well, sled.
Fill the sled. Alright.
Yeah, fill the sled. We need logs. He
Wait.
needs something to do.
He was right in my way, so.
Yeah.
Virginia, are you willing to speak? No, not yet. Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
You may hate me, but it ain't no lie, baby. Bye, 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 bye. I watched that movie today. The new Deadpool.
Oh, yeah. That's good.
It's like the 4th time I've seen it. I fucking love that movie.
I watched the new Gladiator movie last night, and it's great.
Is it good?
Oh, dude, it's great.
Oh yeah. What's it on? Is it on HBO?
I got it, a fire stick that I can watch what's in movies and all that.
Okay.
That's what I watched it on.
Well, I mean, if you Patty's doing trees, and we're doing all this, I'm gonna have Kelvin build some sticks. Come here, bitch. Get sticks and build sled.
Deer, bro. Let's see if I can hit it from here. It's a crossbow. Oh, bitch! I missed.
Oh, Virginia. You think I can just walk
So
up
how do
to
you
her? Can I just
how do
walk-
you try to talk to her?
As far as actually talking to, no. We pretty much just give her stuff. Like she kind of just does her own thing, but give her a pistol and shotgun, and she just take care of it.
She what'd you say? She take cares of it.
Yeah, kind of went a little lost it a little bit there. Let me ask you all this: are we gonna do a rock wall too?
Probably should.
Absolutely, yeah.
So let me ask y'all this: are we doing log, rock, and then fence, or fence, log, rock?
I think we should do the outer perimeter like we're doing right now, and then we need to work on our cabin, I think, and then we go back and reinforce.
Oh no, we're gonna need the fence. I'm just trying to figure out if I need to space it a little bit.
Oh,
The fence is very much needed.
I'm about to go live. I'm trying TikTok live from Streamlabs now. See if I can get all my shit going on it.
oh, what have you been doing it on?
TikTok Live Studio, but the shit is so buggy.
Yeah, I've been doing it on Streamlabs. Well, not
TikTok?
not TikTok. No. I haven't.
Okay, I
It
was
won't
gonna
let me.
say. Yeah, you can't go live on TikTok unless you got 1,000 followers. Now there is something you can do that just started. You can get, if you download TikTok Live Studio, you can do like so many days for free and try to get 1,000 followers in that amount of time, and then you can keep going live. Or you
Right.
can wait till you got 1,000 then go live.
Did y'all hear me fart?
No.
Mike must not be that good then. That was loud as hell. Ooh.
Confirm and go live. Infinity.
What are you doing over here?
Live.
Ah, outside. Got you.
Well, y'all didn't give me an answer, so I've kind of just decided for myself.
So, let me try to help too. So I can get a gist of it.
Yeah, because we'll have a lot to do. Kind of still debating on the rock, but
Okay, I already fucked it up. So,
Oh shit.
I don't know. That's right.
but look at it. It's in front of it. See it?
No, that's fine. This tall one is, I didn't know how to do the tall one.
Oh,
what?
I got you. Whoa.
Okay. Yeah, that was weird.
Ah,
There, I fixed it.
cool.
Honestly, they've done fixed the rock placement, it was a lot
There we go.
more irritating.
So can I go straight up from here, or do you want to just keep going across? Oh wait, it's
I mean, if anything, we don't have to like complete one line at a time. Oh shit, it's kind of curving a little.
what about that? Does that look like shit or no? Well, that's
Yeah,
on
that's
top
fine.
of the. Yeah.
Like you don't have much control over it.
Right.
Much control over it.
Alright. Log.
Oh, I'm so strong. I'm the strongest there is.
Ooh, let me go check my trap and see if we got anything. Nope. Dude, these rabbit traps, they don't want to catch nothing, bro.
All these big rocks, they repopulate, dude.
Yeah,
Sweet.
kind of hate how it's not.
They say repopulate, or they do repopulate?
They do.
No, they'll come back.
Oh.
Like, almost.
Oh, okay, I got you. I got what you're saying. They repopulate.
Yeah.
I thought it would take a little
Yeah.
longer than that, but whatever.
Hey, it's actually better for
Ooh.
us.
You know what? I think we're gonna put them on the inside because I'm kind of worried the cannibals will jump on the rock.
I haven't seen them do that because.
I have.
Oh, okay.
So,
Well, hey, you.
tell you what, just chunk them over here. They're loose anyway, so it don't matter.
Just chuck them over the wall. Bloop, bloop, bloop. What are you used to all them logs? Holy shit. Guess I'll get to chopping more.
Use the tall axe. It's a lot faster, I found.
Tall axe.
Or the improved
Firefighter?
axe, whatever it's called. Improved.
Or the modern axe.
modern. Yeah.
Does better? Really?
Yes. Chopping trees down. It's like 2 or 3 chops, and then I just see rocks flying over the. Kelvin's done filled this stick pile up on this sled.
And,
Swing! And a fall!
Well, that's a quick way to get over there.
So what we need to do is make like a tower that goes up that we can zip line over to.
Absolutely. There's no other way. We need to do just that.
I was thinking it'd be fun and quick way to travel, alright?
Correct?
So I'm in the deforestation program.
when I was playing with our save and stuff, I was looking at the
Oh my god! You took me out.
command prompt. There's apparently one that will clear.
Goddamn. Sorry, I about died there. What'd you say?
I said when I was
You about
messing with our save file. Apparently, there's a command to clear out trees.
Like, completely get rid of them, or?
No, like cut them down and I guess get the logs. I'm not sure. I didn't bother trying that.
We got no trees left over here.
I didn't know you were part logger.
Oh, call me the
Oh my
timberman,
god,
son.
that got so close to our wall.
That's why I'm making this one fall this way, so it falls towards the water instead of towards the fence.
Got a log.
Oh, look! Jesus Christ!
Heads up! Headache!
Well, our logs are kind of piling up now.
I'm kind of debating if I want to try and pull this back a little bit or not.
Pull what back? The rock wall?
The fence.
You want to undo everything we just did to this?
Oh,
Is that
no,
what you're
no,
saying?
God, no.
Okay.
No. I'm putting something on the outside of the log wall.
Dustin says, shut your whore mouth.
No, I'm adding something very nice on the outside of the wall.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Like a booby trap, per se?
I mean, yeah, in a way, you could call it a booby trap. I call it a warning.
Warning, he says.
You know, actually, I got another idea. Let me see. Undo that one, and that one, and that one.
Zing! Zing! That zipline is so cool.
Took me a second to figure it out, because if you send them like back to back like that,
Yeah, and fall off.
you just fall.
Oh no, you're breaking my sticks. I'm gonna need some rocks.
Breaking your sticks. Oh! Looked like you just got hit by that.
Yeah, I'm gonna need some rocks.
You are. Shit. Order some Taco Bell.
Oh no.
And of course, Taco Bell.
Taco Hell at 9 o'clock, bro?
Hell yeah.
Ugh. Sounds like a dirty mess.
That's me. I kind of messed up the logs over here.
What do you mean?
Well, they're kind of crooked, and I can see through them. Like, what is that?
Oh. Let me see what you're talking about.
Well, I done picked it up.
I fixed it.
Oh, I think that's because you smacked it.
Come to my house.
Damn it. I keep smacking it.
Need to make a repair tool.
I got one.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna make a little thing here so we can use the zip line on it.
What happened here?
Hold on, I'll take it.
What?
Damn it, he didn't see it. There was one that was like way up in the air.
If you hold... Oh shit, if you hold C on that, you can take it down and replace it. This one on the end here, Dusty.
Oh yeah.
Hold C on it and you'll pick it up. Now you can replace it.
Is it bad? Is it short? Oh, let's see. There we go.
Oh, I need a log.
Whoa, look!
And it messed up again.
Damn it, Bobby! What are you doing? Step rope.
So I don't know where the end log is because I messed up and picked it up.
I picked it up. Or one of us.
We can stop whenever.
Yep.
I mean, I think this is pretty good right here. I think we go out maybe 2 or 3 more and then start shooting up
Oh wait, I see the log way over there.
over there, yeah. I think 1 or 2 more, or 2 or 3 more probably be good. Then we can go east. Not west.
Gotcha. Can I like climb up this? Ooh, I can.
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you're doing. Gotcha.
Yeah, he's gonna make us a little attachment per chance.
As far as where, I don't know.
Y'all just
put
get
it-
up here and look at these logs. It's just.
There we go.
Oh my god.
Tyler, you gonna try it out?
I was trying
What?
to.
Oh,
Here
he's
he
sending
comes.
the.
Oh my god! They go so far, dude.
That's what we want to.
Oh my god!
Send them on out.
What, are they like falling or something?
They're flying way over here.
Oh.
They're like torpedoes, dude. Holy crap.
Need to build a wall to catch them. That'd be alright. They ain't going too far.
Gotta catch them all.
I mean,
Alright, so now we'll start
you
going that
could-
way. I'll get.
You could move our log holder over there, and they'll just jump in it.
Or, and hear me
True.
out on
That is
this,
true.
make Kelvin do it.
Or that.
This is also true.
Wait.
Or, and absolutely hear me out when I say this, make Kelvin do it.
Oh shit.
Tyler, we touched tips right there. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Yo, Sissy, thanks for liking the live. I appreciate it.
Boy, that might have been a terrible time to come into the live.
Is that all the logs that's over here, Tyler?
Yeah. Everything else
Let's
is.
chop more trees.
Let's do it.
Ba-boom, ba-boom.
Kaboom. When you get a nuclear bomb in zombies. Kaboom.
Kaboom.
Max ammo.
Insta kill.
Insta kill.
Ooh, sticks. I like sticks. I like turtles.
I'll drink a 2-liter Mountain Dew.
I'll be 10 years old, but I'll kick your ass.
Oh, I'm out of sticks.
I'm on your ass like a spider monkey.
Oh, there's another log.
Jacked up a Mountain Dew.
Yeah.
My mouth is on fire, so I drank a 2-liter Mountain Dew.
Did you drink my Mountain Dew? Did you drink my Mountain Dew? Let me smell your breath.
Let me smell your breath. Mountain Dew drinking bitch. But yeah, the if you watch the old Gladiator movie, this new one, it's really good, and it ties in with the first one.
I need to watch it. I've seen the first one, but it's been a hot minute.
Yeah, I'd maybe watch the first one for again to
Yeah.
catch up, because there's some other people or from people from the first one in it. Maximus Decimus Meridius is not in it.
Goes in tight.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius. Leader
Lord Janice.
leader of the North Armies.
Got any up there?
He's like, well, let's do it again tomorrow, guys. Oh man, I messed him up again. I keep accidentally chopping.
Make a repair tool. I need a rock, 2 sticks, and a rope.
A rock,
Yeah, a rock, 2 sticks, and a rope.
2 sticks, and a rope. I guess I need a big rock.
Oh yeah, you need a big rock.
Oh yeah, dude, this freaking zipline makes it so much easier. Holy crap. Oh! Oops, did too fast. I killed myself.
So the repair tool just you hit the log, I guess.
Yeah, you just hit it. That's how you repair things.
Instead of breaking it, you know, it just it repairs it.
So
the
the way I destroyed it before, I have to do the same with.
Yeah, makes perfect sense, don't it?
Mm.
Yeah.
This is log in CM 2024.
Feels like it. Dude, can you imagine our base though when we get it done?
Oh yeah, dude, we'll be ready to rock and roll.
Dude, anybody want to swap out with me?
You know how to place some logs?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
I want to get
I'm
up
up
there
here
in
on
action.
chopping trees.
Here I come up.
Roll.
Alright.
Yeah!
I'll send them down, boys.
Bob. Oh, yeah, there it is. Mm-hmm.
Bless you.
Oh, thank you. Starting to get a look right in there. Feeling the sneeze coming. Okay, so why's all of them straight besides these last ones?
I don't know.
I don't like it.
Two more coming down, boys. Let me check the game. Oh boy. Alabama's gonna lose this one.
Those are straight.
Oh no. That's not good.
There we go, now we're back straight.
Shit.
Here soon, I'm gonna need some more material.
Like wood.
The material will come to us, but I will need more material.
Oh. Getting about sleepy time, it's starting to get dark.
I need to let it get a little darker, otherwise it might put us in the dark,
Yeah.
and then we're screwed for quite a bit.
Look out behind you, Shadow.
Yeah, I seen her. You coming to bring a treat? I don't see anything in your hand. Are you gonna let me give you a GPS tag yet? Nope, you're just gonna stare at me creepily with blood all over your face.
money.
Yeah.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar. Yo, Data Twins. Appreciate it, homie. Well, with that video game controller. Damn. Oh, yeah, dude. Sorry, boys, don't get me to get loud. Chat Mac got me hyped over here.
Got him.
Oh, the fucking logs. It's almost like when you chop them, it straightens it up.
That shouldn't.
You know what I mean? I know, but there was a couple that was out of line, just a smidge, and he's chopped them, and now they look like they're right.
Ooh, before we keep going too far with this, we
Going,
need another.
dude.
We need another door.
Yeah.
I was trying to follow like the path of this little, road. There we go.
Oh yeah, looking good.
I don't have anything to drink. Yes, I do.
Blip.
Never mind.
Alright, now I think we should probably go sleep. Oh, yeah, I hear some friends coming.
Katana, yeah. I'm about ready for the katana.
Mm-hmm.
Shall we go sleep, or are we gonna continue this?
Oh, yeah,
Let's
no,
wait just a minute. Like, see what I mean? They look so like these last few looked like they were getting all crooked, and then when I chopped them, it's like it lined them up even. I don't understand. I mean, I'm glad, because most of these couldn't handle it if they were all crooked.
Why is this one sticking in there?
Which one?
Huh?
Do y'all not see it?
Sticking in the air? No.
Which one?
Hold up. Hold on, I'll show. Well, okay. First, let's sleep, and then I'll send a Snapchat and show you.
Okay. Yeah, because I don't see nothing there, dog.
I heard running. I heard scampering.
No, well. Say if we
We
can
shall
sleep.
see.